Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed.
This is Mummy Pig, and this is Daddy Pig.
Peppa and George have come to play in Granny and Grandpa's garden.
What's that noise?
Grandpa's making something.
Hello, Peppa and George. That's perfect timing. I've just finished making it.
And may we ask what it is?
I'll show you. Show you. Show you.
What the fuck is that old arsehole doing XD?
XDDDDDDDDDDD is Gertrude. She's a miniature locomotive.
I have question. What the fuck is that? Fuck off, bitch.
So you wanna be a gangster? All that shit. Smoke any motherfucker.
We are going to buy weed from Tesco. We are going to buy weed from Tesco.
Oink all day long.
We are going to buy weed from Tesco. What to do now, fucking kid? Shreppa train scrubs XD. IDK lol. You grandpa scrub. There's help in front of us. Fuck off, bitch. Lol. It's a train XD. Will you help us? Lol 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 lol. If you don't help, I will quick scope you. Lol 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 lol. If you don't help, I will quick scope you. No. Yes. No. Yes. 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 No. Yes.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
And his name is John C.
So what, we get drunk. So what, we smoke weed. We're just having fun. We don't care who sees. So what, we go